What y'all got going on with this? What's this? Small block? What's this? Customer car? Or y'all selling this? Or what we got going on with this?
What's that, a 78 Impala?
79.
79 Impala.
Oh, okay, this for that green thing that y'all had a little short clip of. See, we got something special going in there. Stay tuned. Another Ride Clean Small Block special. We told y'all we getting them ready. Coming up, another Ride Clean special. This extra special though. This ain't no Caprice. This a box what? A box what? Hey, I think we might have the only Box Impala in the town right now.
It is. That's why I bought it.
I think we might have the only Box Impala in the town right now. Y'all might.
It's a couple. I seen a couple.
They ain't like this.
Okay. She will not look like this the next time y'all see her. Shit don't stop, man. Shit do not stop. Get that bag right, man. What y'all thinking? 2 weeks, 3 weeks? How long?
About 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
What the fuck I'm on?
So a little Ride Clean lesson for y'all, man. They did the Box Impalas, 77 all the way up into the 80.
I think 85 might have been the last Box Impala.
What was the last year Box Impala, man? Y'all get in the comments. Let us know. We might be wrong.
Ride Clean say 85.
85. I always like the front ends of these motherfuckers, though. Don't get mad. I think I like the 77s and the 79 front end better than the 90s.
I like these body styles the most. Unless it's like them two Orlando.
Mm-hmm.
LA. Full top Brohams with some bad motherfuckers too, though.
The full tops is nice. Ain't nothing like no quarter top though. Door panel check. Door panel check. Hoo-hoo. Quit playing, man. Y'all know we gonna take care of that headliner, man. Come on, man. One thing about Ride Clean, we send them all out with crispy headliners, man. You're coming out of here. Door panel check. Ooh, hey, we might have to keep this one. Oh, wait, is that? Oh my goodness, all original? All original? With the wood grain on that lighter though. I might have to keep this one. All right. Door panel check. Hey, I'm telling y'all, all gold beaters, highs and mids. Put the 18s in the trunk, man. Call it a day. Get it over with. Jeez. Ooh-wee. I don't know. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee.
You don't got to club real hard.
We keep little slide through on the ones and twos, man. paying for it, man, that labor. We basically giving y'all the car. We covering y'all for the labor. Y'all stay tuned, man. We might have to keep this one, though. Just until summer over with, then we'll let it go. Mud flats? Alright, we out.
Turn that steering wheel a little bit.
Alright. He got a lay in. Oh, run. Oh, my son. Get y'all money right. Get y'all money right before we get her right. Get your money right before we get her right, baby. Yeah. Ooh, wee. Them El Crispos, though. Come on, man. The ride clean way or no way, man. Y'all know how we get down, man. Ooh, wee. Go ahead. We gonna see if she fit her. That's a fit. Oh, that's a fit.
Okay.
I ain't gonna lie, man. All them bitches right now tonight.
Let's go.
Okay.
They do fit. It's them belt ones that don't go on there because that belt got that deeper thing.
That's what I was telling you.
Chevy ones go on there.
I know all them bitches.
Let's go.
I think the caps are getting mounted, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes these right here separate the little boys from the men. Just saying. Okay. Watch us work. We're gonna have these offset are they rallies?
These center lines.
Center lines coming soon for sale. Anybody who want them, these bad boys will be for sale soon. Skinny tires up front.
Made in Los Angeles, California.
Made in Los Angeles, California. Yay. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, y'all putting Vogue meat on here?
That's the plan.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I heard correctly, putting Vogue meat on El Crispies on we're gonna call her Lucky. We're gonna call her Money. We call her Money. Okay. I'm signing off, man. They said we gotta play the music. Just getting the Vogue meat ready, man. It's only right.
You know what to do, boy? Get him.
It's only right, man.
Brush.
Give him the brush, man. Tossing the brush. It's only right.
Hey, that's before, after.
Before? After. Wait till them El Crispies get on there, though. Hold on, now. We ain't done yet. Watch this. Watch this. Uh-oh. There she go. Watch this, though. Uh-oh. We got her coming. Got her coming. One down. And just like that, Vogue meat on Crispies.
Don't share that yet, though.
On Crispies. He said don't share it. Shit, I say sharing is caring, goddamn.
On this, right?
I'm talking about.
The blue can, the cover on.
I say sharing is caring, goddamn it. I'm talking about. Wrist on 10, did it? Ride Clean Customs. This is 78, 79? 79. Box Impala. On Vogues. We got the hubcaps cleaned up. Y'all see we about to drop them with these long tubes in there. Small block. Chevy. Got the engine bay cleaned up real good for y'all. Took the grill off. It's getting polished. The Ride Clean way, man. She gonna be ready for y'all real soon. Real soon. I think we locked. Now we open, Y'all see that? Grandma clean, man. And she dirty. And she dirty. Come on, man. Y'all know we gonna take care of that hairline. Quit playing, man. I ain't gonna lie. Wish we could keep this one. Wish we could keep this one. That green. I'm seeing gold. I'm seeing some goldies on her. Blow the brains out. Put them 18s in the trunk. Gold touches. Ooh, we got a winner. We got a winner. She clean, baby. Impala, not a Caprice. Yes, sir. Smile, Bob. We got that fresh hairliner in there. We got that fresh hairliner in there. It says 77.
Yeah, that's crazy. Nigga forgot what year the car is.
That's the original paperwork. See, this a lot of y'all ain't got that right there though.
This don't say it though. Hold up.
That don't say it. How y'all forget what car? Hey, he washing the car, man. Let my nigga finish his job. What year is it? Where it say that?
Don't say it on there.
I thought it
Well,
was
shit, how you know
I thought it
then?
was a
I remember
78.
now.
He said 77, y'all.
Damn, we looking like we don't know our cars. We really know our cars.
Hey, we done had this one for a little while now. Done put a lot of work in it. A lot of work.
So many old ass cars. I don't remember.
Yeah, we got, yeah. Box Chevy Impala, not Caprice, Impala. Yeah. Yeah, we said fucking put some Vogues on it. Hold on, let me clean the camera. We said fucking put some Vogues on them. Crispy hubs. Crispy hubs. We got the Ride Clean pickup out here. You know. Another Ride Clean day, man. I get, like I say, I get that bag ready, man. She gonna be on the market, and by the time y'all see this, she will be for sale. Grandma clean though. We put them flow masters out the side. We put them flow masters out the side on this one. Yeah, we put them flow masters out the side. Yeah. Stay tuned. Ride Clean. Stay tuned. Ride Clean.